Hey Gotians, welcome back to this third video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021 and today we will be covering two things in this video. The first thing is cell styles and the other thing is merge and wrap the cells. So let's begin with the cell styles. Notice it is a simple table and has this heading at the top. So let's give any cell style to this heading. Click Cell Styles. I'm choosing Accent 1. Also notice it has provided you the bluish background color and has made your font color white. You can also give the cell style to these names. I'm choosing Accent 6 style. You can also give the cell style color to this column, which is the name of days. Okay, so these are the different ways of giving the cell styles. You can also give the cell styles manually by clicking any row and selecting the background color. I'm choosing the gray shade and I'm changing its font color to white. Again, I'm selecting this row and changing its background color to light gray. So these are the different ways of giving the cell styles. People often give the cell styles on the headings, on the key input parameters of tables and as required. Now moving to the merge and wrap option. I have already written here a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So we have to see what the merge command does and what the wrap command does. Click on the cell and click wrap. It has wrapped the whole text in one cell. Now see what the merge does. I'm selecting this area for merging the cells. Clicking merge. Also notice that your text is still not visible to you. So I will again click the wrap text in order to see the whole text. Now you have observed that merging and wrapping are often used simultaneously. You can choose any area for merging. I'm selecting this area. First demerging and again clicking merge and center, so it has merged to the selected cells. In the next video tutorial I will be covering the format painter option. That is a very interesting feature of Microsoft Excel. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.